Welcome to the Wyoming Business Council. This video will take you through the steps to complete the application for the Agriculture Fund and assumes you have already created a business profile in our system. If you are a new user or first-time applicant, you must create a business profile before you can complete an application. We have a helpful video elsewhere on this site to help you through that process. Begin your Agriculture Fund application by logging into the portal at wobizrelief.org using the credentials you previously created. Scroll down the page and click on Apply Here. When the new page loads, please select the appropriate business name from the list, then verify all of the information on this screen as you scroll down. You may double-click any field to correct your information. As you get to the bottom of the page, click on Start My Agriculture Fund Application to begin. A reminder now that we are on the application page. As before, you can double-click any fields to enter or edit your information. Every box must be completed, even if the answer is 0. The system will prompt you to complete or correct any missing or incomplete fields. If you need help with any of the fields, you may simply hover over the small gray eye icon for additional information. Begin by indicating the type of agriculture business and the crops and/or livestock produced. When completing your application, please be sure to provide an email address and cell phone number you use and check frequently. All correspondence from the program will come by email or SMS text to the contact info provided here. Next, enter the figures for your calculation. For each of these amounts, please remember we are considering the time period beginning March 13, 2020 to the date of your application. In order, you will enter last year's gross revenue, this year's gross revenue for the same time period, and the revenue loss or gain field will calculate automatically. Next, you will enter extraordinary COVID expenses from March 13 to present, as well as the amount of any previous CARES Act assistance received from the Wyoming Business Council. These fields should populate automatically, but if you received funds which do not show here, please include your BRP reference numbers in the field provided. In the next fields, you will report any other federal CARES Act money received, including Paycheck Protection Program, Economic Impact Disaster Loan, Pandemic Unemployment Assistance, and Coronavirus Food Assistance Program funds. Your total funding request amount will not calculate until all inputs are complete and the application is saved. Next, you will answer all of the federal reporting questions in the following fields. These questions do not impact your application, but we are required to collect this to satisfy federal requirements. Once all of the fields are complete, click Save. If there are any errors or missing information, the correction box will open and provide links to the areas which require additional information. Make any required changes and click Save again to calculate your funding request amount. Next, you will see a series of 3 certification boxes. Please carefully read the statements in each box before proceeding to the next. Once you reach box 3, the system will prompt you to confirm your mailing address. This is an important step, as this is where your relief fund check will be sent. If this address is incorrect, you must correct your address on the business profile screen before proceeding. If everything appears correct, type in your name and title, then click Next. You will see a confirmation screen showing the date and time your application was submitted, as well as an application reference number. You may want to print or save this page for your records. This information will also be sent to the email address provided in your application for future reference. Please look for email from wbc.brp@wyo.gov. Congratulations, your application is now complete, and we will contact you if we need additional information. Most applications process in 21 days. To check the status of your application or to upload documents, simply go to the portal at wobizrelief.org and log in. The tracker at the top of the screen will show you the status of your application. If you have been asked to upload documents, you may do this in the Notes and Attachments section shown lower on in the page. You may simply drag and drop files from your computer onto the box or click Upload and select the appropriate files from your computer. Please note, document uploads only work on a desktop computer. These cannot be completed from a mobile device. Thank you for watching, and thank you for applying for the Agriculture Fund, a business relief program offered by the Wyoming Business Council. Have a great day.